Now, good morning, children. In the previous class, we have read the chapter Wonderful Waste. Today, we'll discuss the question answers of the chapter. Question number 1. What were the preparations in the palace for? So, what were the preparations or in the palace was for? Or what was going to happen in the palace? The preparations were made for the grand dinner in the palace of the Maharaja of Travancore. So the preparations were going for the grand dinner because the Maharaja has ordered a grand dinner in his palace. So all the preparations were made for that grand dinner. So the preparations were made for the grand dinner in the palace of Maharaja of Travancore. Travancore is a place, and the Maharaja of that place has ordered a grand dinner in his palace. Now, question number 2. Why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? So, why did the Maharaja go to the kitchen? The answer is the Maharaja went into the kitchen to examine the dishes that had been prepared for the grand dinner. So, he went to the kitchen to survey what all dishes has been prepared for the dinner. So, he went to the kitchen to see that what all dishes had been prepared for the dinner. Examine means survey. So he went to the kitchen to see, to survey, to check what all dishes has been prepared for the dinner. Question number 3. What had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? So what did the cook plan to do with the vegetable scrap? What was the plan? What was the initial plan? What was the first plan of the cook to do with the vegetable scraps? So the answer is the first thing which he thought of doing with the vegetable scraps was he planned to throw it away. Scraps means waste, whatever peels was there of vegetables. He planned it to throw it away. So the first thing he planned to do with the vegetable scraps was to throw them away. Clear? Now, the question number 4. List the ingredients that were used to make the avial. So the ingredients, the things, the items needed to make that dish was what all items were needed, what all items were required to make that dish. First, there were chilies, coconut, vegetable scraps, curd. Curd means your yogurt, curry leaves, garlic, and pot. These all things were required to make avial, to make that new dish which was invented. What all things were required to make that dish? Chilies, coconut, vegetable scraps, curd, curry leaves, garlic, and pot. These all things were required to make that new dish. Now we come to the question. We come to the true and false. As we have completed the question answers, now we'll come to true and false. The king had ordered a dinner in the palace, so it's true. The king had ordered a grand dinner in his palace. The second one is no one had heard of or tasted avial before. So it's true that no one has ever heard of avial before. No one has ever heard or tasted avial before. Why? Because it was a new dish which was invented by the cook on that day. So the people have never ever heard about that dish before. The cook had planned to make another dish using the vegetable scraps. So did the cook plan to make another dish? No. The first thing he wanted to make with those vegetable scraps was avial. So he never planned to make any other dish. So first plan was to make avial. So this statement is false. Clear? Now what will you do? You will note down these question answers in your copy along with the word meanings and the hard words which I have given you before. You will note down all the word meanings and the hard words in your copy, in your classwork copy, with these question answers and true and false. And how will you note down? First, you will draw the margin on the right hand side. On the top, you will write the date, name of the chapter, and then first you will write down the hard words, then your word meanings, and then the question answers. You will draw the margin on the right hand side. On the right hand side, you will draw the margin, write down the date, name of the chapter, followed by the hard words, word meanings, and question answers. Clear?